Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina. Today is Monday, March 28th. Hope you had a great weekend. I am wearing our favorite shirt. These shirts feel like pajamas. So if you need a pajama shirt that you can wear out on the town, I will link to our shirt in the video description. We still have plenty left. So you can rep Cary Quilting wherever you are. So today we have two groups of fabric and then another vendor preview. The first group of fabric is called Handle with Care. Handle with Care is a friendly reminder to cherish and care for the earth and the solar system. This collection uses hearts, butterflies, and flowers to express how delicate our planet is. That little piece is so cute. And then, of course, you know, I'm a sucker for fabric with words on it. So we've got a word toss here that could be fun for like a reusable grocery tote. It could be walking your walk. Next up is Honeybees. This is by Riley Blake Designs. And honeybees, obviously an important part of saving our planet. Honeybees by My Mind's Eye will have you buzzing with excitement. The stunning palette of black, parchment, and daisy and taupe will have you swarming with ideas. The beautiful main print is perfectly complemented by wildflowers and more. I promise I didn't write that, although I definitely could have. So sometimes people like the more realistic bees, sometimes people like the more stylized bees, but whatever version of bees it is, it's going to be a good thing to have. I did make that one up, so sorry. We're getting groans from behind the camera. This fabric is great. I love that background color. Kind words, honey. All right, and then we have a few more pieces down the line here. It's a nice shade of yellow. It's not in your face too much. People generally kind of shy away from yellow. I think yellow is one of the least printed colors in the fabric world. Oh, that's fun. I like the little smattering and difference in the sizes of that. And then we also have that in black, which is really fun. You can see that design much better there. Now, our market vendor preview for today is J&S Woodworking. These woodworkers provide us with magnetized needle bowls and pen holders here at the shop, along with our wooden ladders. So this is, again, information about our handmade market. It's about a month from today. So we are going to share with you some of the things that J&S does. They're the only woodworker that we have with us at this particular event because we like to keep it simple so they aren't fighting each other. This one they're calling a yarn box, so you can stick your yarn inside. It comes out through that little hole right there, and then you can crochet or knit with ease, knowing that your yarn is not going anywhere. And then the other giveaway that they have for us is this really great cutting board. Look how huge and beautiful this is. Very polished. Look at that little knot right there. That's so fun. The personality in these things is amazing. This is heavy too. This is a very high quality board. So they're saying their yarn box is valued at $45 and the cutting board is valued at $55, and either of those could become yours for the low price of $0 just by commenting on these videos, and we will be giving both of those away to lucky viewers. Now let's see what else they've brought for us while I read you their little bio. This is a cherry bowl. Oh, look at that in there. Sean O'Connor, they're called J&S Woodworking. So we're going to give you the S first. Renewed his interest in woodworking after retiring from a lifelong career in engineering. This is cedar. Oh my gosh, I'm not going to be able to read and look at the same time. Look at that. So pretty. His neighbor, Jay, is Jim Clinton. Jim, another recent retiree. Oh, what is this? Walnut would make a nice salad bowl, they said. Oh, gosh, you guys, I hope that you can sense how beautiful these are. And that one has a nice bottom on it. Sorry, it's taking me forever to read this. Jay is Jim Clinton, another recent retiree who worked in business management and was interested in learning. Whew, all right. Maybe I'll read at the end. This is a butcher block with a chamfered edge. It does have a fun edge on it. See that? And look at the way they've interacted. Yeah, joined the wood together. Ooh, another heavy piece. Very, very beautiful. Okay, I'm just going to show you the rest and then I'll read to you because this is too good to not be looking at. Oh, look at that. Okay, let's see what this is. Holy cow. I break it, I buy it. Oh no. This is Live Edge Cherry with blue epoxy center. So this is a cutting board. This is epoxy in the middle. That's so beautiful. And then they have little feet on the bottom, little rubberized feet. So you can use that on a countertop. Oh my gosh. They've outdone themselves. This is even better than the things we saw at the last market, I feel. Butcher block with a juice tray. Oh, so if you're cutting something that gets juicy, it collects here instead of rolling off the edges. And it also has grooved handles on the ends. Very nice. And what else is in here? Oh, look at that. Wow, that's got to be all different types of wood. I wish I knew more about this so I could sound more intelligent. Beautiful, though. So, so pretty. Let's see, they do have a piece of paper down in here. Let's see. Cedar bowl was made of local wood. Wait until you smell it. Now I'm going to have to pull it out again. Cutting boards are for charcuterie. Different woods were used in the butcher block, maple, cherry, walnut, mahogany, wenge, and others. All boards are food safe. Some cutting boards will have a juice tray or chamfered edges. So sorry. I know quilting really well. For easy lifting. The boards will be in different shapes and sizes at the upcoming market. The bowls of different sizes, shapes, and wood types. Most bowls are food safe except for cedar and a few that are for decorative use. Now, let me find my page and you can look along here. These guys actually do their woodworking out of a garage. So I told you about Sean O'Connor. His name is Jim Clinton. Jim is another recent retiree who worked in business management and was interested in learning to turn wood into bowls and became an avid student. J&S Woodworking started with these two retirees turning bowls when COVID-19 arrived and a new hobby was born, to make useful products from various woods found in North Carolina or in using specialty woods procured by local wood suppliers is both interesting and challenging. Oftentimes, the wood speaks for itself and declares what it wants to be. The ability to create something from a tree or block of wood has been fun and allows Jim and Sean to tap into their creative side. Both have been heard to say, "We are limited only by our imagination," which is a credited statement to Aesop. So we'll look at these as I put them back in here just again so you get a little post view after your preview. All beautiful pieces. Look at that. That's so pretty how that works together. You're gonna have to sniff the bowls. I know. Yep. I'll sniff the bowls on the way back. There's that epoxy. That's such a pretty color. That would look great in a lake house, I know. And then we have the butcher block with the something edge. We've got the walnut bowl, the cherry bowl with the pretty broken line on the inside. Yeah, oh yeah. Oh, so pretty. And the cedar bowl. So if you come to our handmade market in a month, you will also be able to smell their cedar bowls. Maybe they'll let you. And again, if you want to get into the drawing for the great cutting block here, the cutting board, or the yarn box, just comment on the videos and we will be sure to give these away to some lucky people later on this week. Have a great afternoon. Thanks for watching. It was a long one. We'll see you back here tomorrow. Bye.